This is our Cleveland showroom. It's actually attached to our factory, so we can take you on a little factory tour and let you see where all the magic happens. Step this way. The trucks come in one door and bring us our materials. The pieces flow through to the back door, and then we load out the back door when we go for the in-home deliveries. But what that means is we have fabric coming in, we have the polyurethane foam coming in that door, we have the inner spring units coming in that door. The fabric and some of the layers of foam padding and fiber padding are quilted. It's run through the panel quilter. That cuts everything exactly the size that we need it. Then from the quilter, it's brought to this table and it's actually serged around the edge of it. A pull strip is attached to it, and that pull strip is what allows you to laminate the top layer of the mattress to the inner spring itself. It actually adheres it to the side of the inner spring unit so that there cannot be any slippage in the mattress. You know, everybody's had a sofa cushion that kind of starts out looking like this, but then it rides around the side. Well, a mattress is not supposed to be able to do that if you hog ring it properly, and then it assembles all of the padding layers on top of your mattress so that they stay there. Then the side of the mattress is sewn. We actually spring up the foundations here, but the box springs actually come in that side door and are assembled and then upholstered, just like a sofa would be upholstered or any other piece of furniture like that, and then taken to our back warehouse area. About 50% of the models that we make are made to order. In other words, if the customer buys today, it's actually put on production for tomorrow, and then it's delivered the following day. The quality of the materials used for us is the same quality of the biggest names that you've ever heard of in the mattress business. I mean, we all buy from the same suppliers. There used to be a coil count game that everybody played, that the more coils, the better. Usually the more coils there are, the smaller gauge wire it is that builds that. You could have 1,000,000 springs in a mattress, but it's a tiny little spring and it really means nothing. We use heavy gauge, high coil count, but heavy gauge wire, very important. Twice tempered. If it's a 6-inch tall inner spring unit, you want it to stay 6 inches tall. In most failures where your padding is sinking or whatever, where you get a body impression, a lot of people say, oh, my coils are worn out or something. It is almost never the coils. It's actually where that padding is sinking down a little bit. So it's very important to have a good heavy gauge wire inside the mattress holding it up. In the all foam mattress, it's very important to have the high density foams, not a less expensive, cheaper density foam. Being a local manufacturer, it gives us a lot of advantages over what the big guys might be able to do for that customer individually. Some mattress that has that awe factor in the showroom, that, oh man, this feels great, it may be different when you sleep on it. Being a manufacturer, we can actually take that mattress back into our factory, if need be, and adjust the comfort to exactly what the customer tells us that they desire. Just because mom likes that pillow top, don't mean that dad likes that same bed. And we do custom built mattresses where mom can get what she likes on one side and it'll look identical on the other side, but we can change that feel in the other. When we talk about custom made beds, it's not just custom sizes or custom shapes. So there's a lot of custom things that we can do for not only the feel, but for it to fit your bed in particular.